Hi everyone, my name is Rose and I'm here to take you mathematics. Okay, on today's topic, we're treating complex examples of indices. If you've not seen our previous videos, please check them out so you can catch up with us. Okay, so today we're treating this. Now, we already know from one of the laws of indices that when you multiply the same bases together, what you have to do is just pick one base and add the powers. Let me show you what I mean. These are the same bases, right? But they have different powers. So here we know that there's a power of 1 and there's a plus because we're multiplying them together. For this one you have 0, and for this one you have a minus 5. So here you know you have r. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus times minus is minus, and then you have your 5. So for here you have your 1 minus 5 minus 4. I know somebody watching this right now knows what next to do, right? If you do not know what next to do, we'll help you out. Another law of indices says what? It says whenever you have a variable, anything at all raised to the power of a negative number, what happens? You have 1 over that thing. So here we have a question like this. Imagine you're being asked to solve something like this. What do you do? Here you have the powers being separated by a bracket, and in mathematics, bracket means multiplication. Okay, so all you have to do is know that these two are multiplying each other. So you have g minus 2 times 5, which gives you g minus 10. Very straightforward, right? Okay, let's try something more complex. Okay, why not try this with me so we could see? This looks a bit complicated, but while we go, you would understand that it's not so complicated. Just follow the rules of indices, and that's it. So from here, we can solve this thing several ways. You know, it depends on what you want to start with. But I'm going to start with something that will make you understand better how to solve something like this. So remember one of the laws of indices here that says whenever you raise a number to the power of a negative, what do? We change it immediately to 1 over that thing raised to the power of. Do you see? You can start this way and then you continue to break it down. So here you also remember a case where we have raised to the power of fraction, right? What did I say you do? I say you pick just this. Act like this denominator isn't there. So you have 16 over 81 raised to the power of what? 3. And then you change your division to its root form. I don't want it to look too complicated. I want you to understand. That's why I'm here, right? So you know that you can have the fourth root of 16, right? The fourth root of 16 is 2. And the fourth root of 81 is 3. And remember that this can be the plus and minus. Whenever you have the root of something, it's always the plus and minus of that thing. And then you have your 3, right? So you have 1 over 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 is what? 8. 3 raised to the power of 3 is what? 27. Don't forget your plus or minus. So this is the same as 1 divided by plus or minus, my body is shaking, 8 over this, which is the same thing as 1 times plus or minus 27. And then you have plus or minus 27 over 8, which is the same as plus or minus. You can now change this to mixed fraction. Let us know your answer in the comment section below.